Hey guys, so this is my diorama, my 3D diorama, and it is made out of a box, a cardboard box, and then I laid clay on the top, and then it has styrofoam on each side, just to kind of represent the continental margins because of the different textures, and then I have some green paper at the top. The three main regions of the ocean floor is the continental margins, the deep ocean basin, and the mid-ocean ridge right here. I'm going to go over each part that's in my diorama. First thing is the seamounts, and that's these smaller mountains, and that is the mountains whose peaks don't break the surface of the ocean. Then behind I have the volcanic islands, and I put some orange on both of those just to show that that would be above the waterline, because these are formed by volcano eruptions, and once the magma hardens, it turns into rock and forms mountains, and these mountains are so high that they break the surface of the ocean, and these top parts are known as islands. The continental shelf is on both sides, here and here, and it's gradually sloping. It's what comes off gradually on each continent. The continental slope is also on both, and it is a steady incline down to the floor. The trench is over here, and that's represented by the gray. It's kind of supposed to be dark and open. And this is canyons that are due to the oceanic crust and continental crust that are colliding or converging. Then over here in this area, this is the abyssal plain. This is the thick layers of sediment, and it forms these flat plains, which is actually the flattest part of the ocean floor. And then finally, we have the mid-ocean ridge, and I kind of made this textured just to show, because this is known as the underwater mountains, and it's caused by, and it has a rift valley in between, which is this gray here, and this gray is the valley, and it's due to the diverging plates that are going outwards and causing this opening right here. Whereas the trench is converging and has the diverging plates going into each other. This side, I can tell, is an active continental margin because it has the trench on that side. That's a big factor of active versus passive. This side is passive because it has the gradual incline until hitting the abyssal plain. The ocean floor is affected by plates because, like I said before, the mid-ocean ridge and the trench are both formed by diverging or converging plates from the Earth's surface. This was really fun to do, and I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.